This is a 1,000 tons per day complete-line lithium ore processing plant for processing spodumene and lepidolite stone ore to recover Li2O lithium concentrate. The complete setup includes a crushing system, grinding system, desliming system, flotation system, and lithium concentrate dehydration system. The flotation system utilizes 1 stage of rougher, 2 stages of scavenging, and 3 stages of concentration, which has the best recovery ratio for Li2O and can make Li2O grade reach the best grade. According to our customers' raw materials conditions, we designed this flowchart. Below is a detailed explanation of this flowchart. Process flowchart description. Firstly, crushing system. Designed to produce about 100 tons per hour, 10 hours of production per day. The ore in the raw ore bin is fed into a jaw crusher for coarse crushing through a vibrating feeder and is transported to a DN 1200 cone crusher for fine crushing by a belt conveyor. Fine crushed materials are sent to vibrating screen 2YK1860. With 2 decks, 15 mm, 40 mm mesh size. Sieve out the material of 0 to 15 mm, 15 to 40 mm, and more than 40 mm. The material of 15 to 40 mm and more than 40 mm are transported to another cone crusher 4.25 feet short head type through the return belt conveyor for further fine crushing. All 0 to 15 mm materials from the vibrating screen are transported to the silo by the belt conveyor for standby. Secondly, mineral dressing process. Designed to produce 42 tons per hour, 24 hours a day. The beneficiation process adopts 1-stage ball milling and 3-stage flotation. 1. Ball mill. Smaller than 16 mm materials enter the ball mill for grinding operation. The grinding concentration is 25% to 35%, and the grinding particle size is 200 mesh, accounting for 75% to 80%. The spiral classifier is used to form a closed circuit. The mud produced by the slurry is pumped by the slurry pump to the hydrocyclone group for desliming treatment. Then it is fully stirred by the mixing tank and the dosing system and then sent to the flotation machine. 2. Flotation machine. The flotation machine is divided into 1 stage of rougher, 2 stages of scavenging, and 3 stages of concentration operations. The working principle of the flotation machine is, the impeller is driven by the V-belt drive of the motor to rotate, and centrifugal action is generated to form a negative pressure. On the one hand, sufficient air is sucked in to mix with the ore pulp, on the other hand, the ore pulp is stirred to mix with drugs, and at the same time, the foam is refined to make the mineral sticky. Above the combined foam, it floats to the surface of the slurry to form a mineralized foam. Adjust the height of the ram to control the liquid level so that the useful foam is scraped off by the scraper. After 3 stages of concentration operations, high-grade lithium concentrate can finally be obtained. Thirdly, treatment of lithium concentrate. 1. Concentrate dehydration operation. Lithium concentrate adopts a 2-stage dehydration process. 1 deep cone thickener is used for the first stage of dehydration, and 1 set of disc vacuum filters is used for the second stage of dehydration. The water content of the lithium concentrate is about 15% after dehydration, and the concentrate can be bagged for sale after dehydration. 2. Tailings treatment. Need to be negotiated. The tailings are transported by the tailings pump to the tailings pond, dam, for stockpiling, or according to customer needs. If customers need the tailings dewatered, we also can provide equipment for tailing dehydration.